Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a rich, flavorful and creamy chopping block special mutton curry that's slow cooked to perfection. This dish is packed with bold flavors, spices, tender meat and a luxurious creamy texture that will have you coming back for more. So without wasting any further time, let's dive straight into the recipe. For 1 kg of mutton, you'll need 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 4 to 5 tablespoon of curd, handful of chopped coriander leaves, half tablespoon of clarified butter, half cup of fried onions, and half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half tablespoon of salt and adjust the salt later where required. Mix everything well and let it marinate for 30 minutes. Dry roast some whole spices. So 3 bay leaf, 2 inch of cinnamon stick, 7 cloves, 2 black cardamom, 1 stone flower, mace, 1 star anise pieces, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1.5 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 4 tablespoon of desiccated coconut, 1 teaspoon caraway seeds, half nutmeg and around 10 Kashmiri chilies or Bedki chilies, whichever you have. Dry roast until aromatic for about 3 to 4 minutes on low to medium flame. Once aromatic, allow it to cool down for some time. Heat the same pan and dry roast 3 roughly chopped onions until brown. Once browned enough, add 2 roughly chopped tomatoes and 1/4 cup of cashews. Add 2 cups of water, season with salt and bring to a rolling boil. Cool down completely and then grind to a smooth fine paste. Add the grounded spice powder to the marinated mutton and 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, which is optional. Add in the grounded paste and mix everything well. Mix, let it sit in the refrigerator for 30 minutes or overnight. The final step is to cook everything together. So heat some oil in a pressure cooker and once hot, add in the marinated mutton. Rinse the leftover marinade paste with some water and add it to the pressure cooker to adjust the consistency. Check for salt and adjust if required. Cover and let it pressure cook for 5 whistles on medium flame. Look at that gravy. Juicy, tender and super flavorful chopping block special mutton curry recipe is ready to be served. Try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section how it turns out for you. Don't forget to like, comment and share my videos with your family and friends. And if you have not subscribed yet, then please do subscribe now. See you all super soon with another special video. Until then, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.